To install the Coldhead, insert the nozzle into the nozzle clamp on the Varibeam. Make sure the nozzle is pushed all the way in before tightening the bolts. Now, retract the nozzle on the Z-axis. This will ensure you have movement in either direction, should this be required when fine-tuning the nozzle position later on. At this stage, don't worry if the nozzle is not perfectly aligned with your sample. The X, Y and Z translations of the stand will allow for accurate alignment once it's in place. The vacuum insulated transfer line, which is attached to the Coldhead, will now need to be inserted into the dewar. At the end of the transfer line is a rigid leg. This will need to be fed through the existing port or labyrinth of your XRD cabinet. Position the dewar close enough to allow the rigid leg to be inserted into the dewar. Make sure no torsion or sharp kinks are present in the transfer line, as this can damage the internal capillaries. With the Coldhead mounted into the Varibeam and the transfer line connected to the dewar, let's take a look at the gas supply module.